I got an iMac 2007 and it's got a dual core. Not much you can do with this. I installed the web browser iCab, and half the website you still can't get onto anyway. You can do some search here only for small websites with text on it. Try YouTube. Error. So on this stick I have Linux Lite. I'm going to install on this machine. On a Windows machine, hold the Alt key. On a Mac, hold the Control key until this screen shows up, and then you can release it. And this is the USB. And there, I'm booting into it now. Well, it says, okay, I'll bring this up and show you. Boot Linux Lite into live system, which most of my videos I have do that, but I'm going to go directly into the installer. Directly into the installer. We're just waiting on the machine. This should take about 5 minutes. And you got a little dot there. A few minutes you'll get the little spinning thing, which it's still working. I've arrived at the installation page. If you quit now, it'll just go into the live version and you can try it out. But I'm going to continue. English, yes. And once again, I must remind you that the way I'm doing it will wipe everything off the tagger. So make sure that you take all your pictures whenever. Download, okay, I'll do that while installing. I do have it connected to the internet. See, it's still working okay. Right here, this computer currently has the OS on it. What would you like to do? Erase disk and install Linux. Something else. See, if you click something else, this is for advanced users where you can resize the partitions yourself, and you can run the Linux Lite alongside the Mac OS. But I'm going to erase the disk and install Linux, so I click install now. Okay, it gives you the warning that it's going to delete all data. Okay, continue. Okay, detects I'm in Winnipeg already, which is nice to see. Continue that. Now here you put a password. Log in automatically, but you still need a password. I'll put 123 123. It says it's too short, but it'll work. Continue. And you can name it whatever you want. Say the Linux Lite -iMacs. Okay, it's installing now. This will take a few minutes. It'll give you a few things here. In the description, I'll leave a few other Linux distributions. Linux Lite is pretty good. I'll leave a few there for you. I'll show you the setup. There's the mouse, which is a Windows mouse, Windows keyboard. Obviously it says Dell on it. And I'll show you the back. See a keyboard, mouse, and the USB, and then I got the internet cable. 15 minutes in, it's still doing its thing. But remember, I got the update while installing, so I'll be a bit slower. Installation is complete now. I want to restart. Okay, there's the beginning of it. Welcome to Linux Lite. You can read everything here. There's the firewall. Here, let me see, the firewall's off, so you want to turn it on. There, it's on now. It's colored. Good. That's done. Close this off. Let's just click on this. See what goes on. See if it'll play.
1998 Ford Windstar. I'm trying to get off the cluster. There's a lot of bulbs that are burnt out and I can't see at nighttime. So I'm trying to...
It's playing at 720. I'm going to be using this Ubuntu Mate 1604. It's a 32-bit. It runs perfectly on this older Mac because it's got only a dual core 2.0. Same installation as the Linux Lite. And up in this corner you get all your applications. Right now it's just running off the disk. I could not install this on a USB, so I burnt it to a disk. Go to Control Center. This is fully customizable. In here. I just want to show you the firewall. Turn it on. Okay. The way you get the dock in the bottom is you go to Make, Tweak, and right there it has Interface, Serpentino. Here's the docking. See, if I change it to Fedora, see, the dock goes away. And if I put it back to Serpentino, see, the dock comes This back. Is a long way from Safari on the OS 10.4 Tiger. Look at this, we're even playing Facebook games.